Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to maximize your Eden tokens. We'll explore strategies to consistently earn a high volume of these valuable items. By focusing on daily tasks and special events, you can significantly boost your collection. We'll also cover optimizing your gameplay for peak token efficiency. Get ready to transform your token earning potential and achieve your in-game goals. To truly farm tokens efficiently, pinpoint activities that offer the best returns. These often include repeatable missions or specific enemy encounters. Always activate any available in-game boosts or multipliers. They can double or even triple your earnings. Furthermore, collaborating with a guild or team can unlock shared bonuses, providing a significant collective advantage in token acquisition. Teamwork makes the dream work. Smart investment is key to long-term token growth. Use your hard-earned tokens to acquire upgrades or items that directly enhance your future token generation rate. Resist the urge to spend on purely cosmetic or non-essential items that don't contribute to your economic engine. Instead, prioritize purchases that open up entirely new avenues for earning, ensuring a continuous and expanding flow of tokens. Consistency is paramount for sustained token accumulation. Establish a daily routine of token-generating activities and stick to it. The game world evolves, so be prepared to adapt your strategies when new content, events, or balance changes arrive. Setting clear, long-term goals for your token count will keep you motivated and focused. With persistence and smart adjustments, your token reserves will steadily grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.